What's up guys, it's Kyle again and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are exploring another country in Southeast Asia. So after 9 hours of bus ride from Cambodia and 12 hours of train ride coming from Bangkok, I've finally made it here in the capital city of Laos. Welcome to Vientiane. If you haven't watched my video on how I traveled from Siem Reap all the way here to Vientiane, Laos, I'll be putting the link in the description box below. Before we start our itinerary for today, so I'm still at my hotel and I'm taking advantage of the free breakfast. So the free breakfast consists of 2 fried eggs, sausage, baguette, and fruit, and a hot Americano. That's a huge savings for us today, guys. So I'm very excited to start our itinerary for today. We'll be exploring a very laid back and very peaceful capital city of Laos. So this is the free breakfast, guys. So I have 2 eggs, 1 sausage, and 1 baguette. They also have the salad and the fruits. And we got ourselves an iced Americano, some water. So everything is free. Let's enjoy our breakfast. So my first impression in this city, it's very peaceful and it's very quiet. I like it and it's not very crowded. So without further ado, let's now start our itinerary for today. So today we will be touring in the city of Vientiane. For our first stop, we will be visiting their famous Patusai, which is also called the Victory Monument. So I just took an in-drive to get to Patusai. It's just 2 kilometers away from my accommodation, but I didn't want to get tired at the start of the day, so I just took an in-drive from my hotel to get here. So it only cost me 30,000 kip. It's only 6 Malaysian ringgit. And I am now here in the very beautiful Patusai. So let's get to the front so that we can get a good view. I think when you visit Laos, especially in Vientiane, the capital city, it is a must to go to their Patusai, which they call the Victory Monument. So let's find a good spot so that I can show you guys. So I'm already in the area. I'm just trying to get a good spot. As you can already see, the Patusai is at my back. It's very windy right now. I hope it doesn't rain. All right, everybody, welcome to our first stop for today. This is Patusai for you guys. Let's have a closer look. It looks like the Gate of India also. Very, very nice. And it's not small, guys. It's very huge. And I like it. Let's have a closer look so that you can see the details. I think we can go up there so that we can see a 360 panoramic view of Vientiane city. Look at the details, guys. It's very nice. Amazing. Ito palang Patusai, guys. This is Vientiane's very own Arc de Triomphe. So this was built in the 1960s to honor those who fought for Laos independence. And not very far, that is the palace of the Prime Minister over there. It's just in front of Patusai Monument. And what I like about Vientiane is there are trees that has colorful flowers. So just like that, it has purple flowers. Yesterday, I also saw green, pink, and yellow. This is the view down here, guys. See, it's very colorful. The trees and the flowers. We were able to take a bunch of photos in front of Patusai. So let's explore the area further. Let's go to the other side. I think we can also go up, guys. We just need to pay like 30,000 kip for the entrance, which is not too much. I'm still thinking if we will go up. Let's explore first the area down here because it's very huge. It's like a huge park, and at the center, it's where the Patusai stand. So let's go to the other side in front of the palace of the Prime Minister. Good thing it's very windy right now and it's not too sunny. This is actually the reason why I wanted to go here early so that it's not gonna be too hot. Because if we go here late morning, guys, it's gonna be very, very hot. So I'm going to the other side. There are also a few tourists here, but not too much. I always see two flags here, guys. One is the Lao flag and the other one, I'm not sure. It may be the flag of the state or what. Correct me if I'm wrong. So comment down below what you think. The other flag. That's the other view of the Patusai. This is the home of their Prime Minister, everybody. So just right across the Patusai Monument. Looks like Malacanang Palace. Let's see if we can zoom a bit. That's what I was pertaining to, guys. So the other flag, apart from the Lao flag, the red one. Ayun siya. It's the Patusai over there. Maraming mga nagpo-photo shoots. I think during nighttime, it's also nice here because there's a fountain show and I think this will light up. So maybe later tonight, we can go back here and see how it looks like during nighttime. This is the area, guys. Alright guys, welcome to the home of their Prime Minister. Did you guys know that Vientiane Lao, or Lao in particular, is a former French colony? That's why you notice that some of the structures here gives a French colonial vibe. Just like this palace at my back, where their Prime Minister lives. May mga photographer dito na mag-offer sa inyo to take some picture. I think it's not very expensive. So kung bet nyo naman, di magpa-picture na kayo, tulong nyo na lang din sa kanila. Di ba? Pinag-iisipan ko pa kung aakyat ba tayo o hindi. 30,000 lang naman. Ang iniisip ko kung kaya ko. Doon na tayo. Parang may... I like it there. May purple tree doon. Tignan nyo. Let's go there. Hindi ko alam kung merong cherry blossoms ang Lao. Pero ang daming trees talaga na iba-ibang kulay yung ano. Yung... flowers. Punta tayo dun sa may trees with the purple flowers. Baka mamaya may cherry blossom pala dito, di ba? Nangangarap lang tayo mag-cherry blossom kasi we haven't been to Japan. Ayun o, iba-iba yung color ng trees. Ganda. It adds up sa vibe ng ano, attraction. Patusai Park na pala ang tawag dito. Andun yung Patusai Monument. Yan o. Ito guys o. Pula. Saan yung purple? Sa harap ng park mismo. You know guys, that purple is my favorite color. This is Lao, people. Ayun o, parang kulay pink. Parang cherry blossoms talaga siya. Yan pa oh. Tingnan nyo, purple. Ang ganda. Ayan oh, the purple tree. Look guys, we have a purple tree over here in Patosai Park. And also guys, inside the park, there's a coffee shop over there. So if you get thirsty while exploring this area, you can have some coffee or some refreshment over there. Photo na tayo guys. Ang saya dito, ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda ng view. Tingnan natin yung interior niya sa loob. Para siyang India Gate. Ayan siya guys. I think that's where you will buy the ticket. For foreigners, it's 30,000 kyp. Sa loob. Let's go off the Patosai for the 360 degrees panoramic view of the city. 30,000 keep yung entrance. This is where you will buy the ticket. Thank you. Napanood ko yung vlog nila Mel tsaka ni Enzo. 197 steps ng paakyat. Every floor yata parang merong mga exhibit or painting. Ito yung unang floor na may ganap. You will see when it was constructed. History. The meaning of Patosai. Victory Gate pala talaga. Gusto niyo basahin? Parang basa-basa lang about the history. Ay, binaha sila. Yan noong 1966. Kaya na tayo. Kasi pumasok tayo for the 360 panoramic view. Pangalawang floor na may ganap. UNESCO World Heritage in Luang Prabang. According to this museum, these are the important places in Vientiane. So this is Patatuang. Ang ganda niya oh. Patatuang. Tapos Hoprakeo Museum. What's Yaket? Puro temple siya. You know, Wat Ong Tu Temple, Wat Ingpeng, Presidential Palace. Ang ganda ng Presidential Palace nila. Oh. Very French colonial vibe. Buddha Park. Ang ganda, oh. The Buddha Park. Ito yung Vientiane Night Market. Pupuntahan natin yan, guys. Tapos, Textile Museum and Quezon Cambian Museum. Mga Lao food. Mga traditional Lao dishes. Ewan siguro. Aka. Migrated from China into Lao. Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam. Para mga indigenous people nila. Cutie! Akyat na tayo doon. Ayun. Feeling ko dalawang akyat na lang para ma-reach natin yung tuktok. In fairness, sobrang taas niya pero hindi ako natakot. Kasi nga, magandang idea yung bawat floor may stop. Para hindi mo namamalayan na sobrang taas mo na pala. Ayan dito. Feeling ko isang akyat pa para makita talaga natin yung 360 views. Ito sa taas, guys. Ito. 360 view of Lao. Yan yung palace. Yung fountain. Sobrang peaceful. Oh my God, ang ganda. I think this is the crater that we can see from down there. Yan siya. Parang doon pa tayo aakyat para mas makakita ng magandang 360 view ng Lao. Ito na tayo. Actually, medyo natatakot na ako. Ano siya? Kasi tayo sa loob. Dalawang hagdan pa. Feeling ko hindi ko nakakayanin yung isa pa. Natatakot na ako. Tingnan natin kung kaya pa natin umakyat ng isa. Kaya natin to for the 360 views. Kaya nang hindi ko nakaya. Spiral stairs. Nandito na lang tayo. May buto. Yes! 360 view of Vientiane Lao. Palace. Mga buildings doon. Lumayo tayo. .360 view. Worth it ang 30,000 keep nyo, guys, to see this amazing view. So another side, guys, literally this is the 360 view, panoramic view of Vientiane Lao. Pahinga muna tayo dito, guys. Pahangin tayo and let's enjoy our view. The panoramic view. So we're done exploring the Patosai Victory Monument. So we went up there to get a 360 degrees panoramic view of Vientiane, Lao. We only paid 30,000 kip, which is approximately 6 Malaysian ringgit. And it's really worth it, guys. You can get a whole view of the city. Very peaceful, very mesmerizing, and very beautiful. So let's now go to our next stop for today. So we will be visiting a temple. So we all know, guys, that Laos is a Buddhist country. So there are tons of temples in the city. So we will be visiting a few. And today I'm heading to the next one, which is just in front of Patosai, not very far. The only problem is from the monument, there's no pedestrian. So I'm not sure where to cross the road. But earlier I was able to cross there even though there's no pedestrian lane. So let's just cross there again. Or a pro tip, guys, if you cannot cross the road, just follow a local. If they cross the road, then you can cross the road with them. So let's go. I think it's this side. Let's go this side. I hope you guys enjoyed the Patosai Monument and the panoramic view of the Vientiane. I think that is the temple that I want to go to over there. So we need to cross the road. As you can see, there's no pedestrian, but there are locals who are crossing the road. So let's cross the road here. So tawid tayo dito. Dito ako tumawid kanina. Pag nahuli tayo, di nga. Tanggalin ko yung shades ko, baka hindi ko makita. May sasakyan na pala. Dito tayo tatawid, guys. Sana makatawid tayo, guys. Oh my gosh. Paglagpas nitong puti, let's go na. Ang bilis naman magpatakbo nito. Oh my God, scary. Nakakatakot, everyone. Success. So, bye for now, Patosai Victory Monument. See ya. May ano doon, no, truck. Parang pwede kang bumili ng ng coffee. And the temple that we will visit is the Wat Tat Phong, which is just in front of Patosai. So that's the Patosai. And then just cross the road and then go here, this side. Yan. So today I'm planning that we visit at least two of the temples here in Vientiane. So the first one would be this. Let's go. Punta tayo. Sobrang tahimik, guys, no? Ang ganda dito. I mean, I like the vibe. It's very peaceful. It's very calm, very laid back. Another crossing the road. Diba? Nagiging hustler na ako sa pagtawid dito, guys. Ito yung temple. Yan siya. Tapos meron pang ano dito, oh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Ang ganda, oh. Very French colonial vibe din. May pa-elephant sila. So, this is our first temple for today. Wat Tat Phong. So let's get inside. Wow, very peaceful. Yun, oh. Yeah. Ganda, sobrang tahimik. Yun, oh, may mga monks. Feeling ko naman pwedeng mag-film dito. It looks like a park, and then inside there are several temples. Buddha Park. Ah, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Ayan guys. Very nice. May ginagawa lang. Ako may sasakyan. Wala. Cute. Yan pa yung mga puno na iba-ibang kulay yung flowers. Ganda talaga nila. Ganda ng temple. Under construction. Sobrang ganda nito. May Buddha din. Big horse. Cutie. Ako lang mag-isa dito guys, walang tao. So, may malaking usa. Ba't nila? Oo, yung parang cherry blossoms. Hindi pwedeng wala tayo. Umaaraw na guys. Napaka-peaceful nito. Ganda pa. Ganda niya. Ayokong umalis. Sobrang na-amaze ako. Pasok tayo dito. Parang ito yung main temple nila sa harap. Oo. Yung main event. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan tanggalin yung slippers, guys. Pero wala namang sign. Siguro hindi kailangan. Pero nasa loob na ako. Naka-slippers naman. Grabe yung ganda nito. Oh, guys, tignan nyo. Sobrang ganda. Wow. Ito talaga yung main event dyan. Yung loob guys. Walang tao. Ayun si Buddha guys. Feeling ko dito sila nagpe-pray talaga. The golden. Let's now go out. I hope you guys enjoyed this Wat Pat phone. Sobrang ganda. Punta kayo ng umaga. Go here during morning time. Walang masyadong tao. Alright guys, so that's Wat Tat Phong Temple for you. So it's almost 12 right now. I think I'm gonna go grab some lunch first, and then maybe later on we'll go to another temple, our second temple for today. So see you later. Yun siya, ang ganda. Nagpunta muna ako dito sa mall guys to grab some lunch and chill before we head to our next destination. So look what I found. This one is interesting. Cafe by the lake. So the idea is very Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. I asked the driver earlier what are the famous malls here. I was told that it's Vien Chinh, Lao Center, and the Park Son. So punta tayo sa loob ng mall para magpa-aircon and to chill, and then let's grab some lunch. I'll just show you the vibe here. Yan siya. May mga kubo-kubo doon. Maybe you can chill over there. Yan yung cafe. Puka dyan. Order ka ng coffee. It's the cafe. Hindi ko makita yung Vien Chinh Center. Ito yata oh. Pero office building pala to. So I think the mall is the Park Son. Ayun oh. Punta tayo ng the Park Son. Yung area. The Park Son. Parang ano lang to eh. Store lang to sa Malaysia. Or mall talaga siya. Baka mall talaga siya dito. Dito tayo sa mall. Ay shoot, wala yatang daan. Sakit tayo tatawid. Feeling ko walang tawiran dito. It's where we'll be going. Hindi naman pala totally underdeveloped ang Lao. May mga areas din na sobrang developed like this area. Yan, may mall sila, may Park Son. Tayo. May nakikita akong hawker chan. Kaso dun sa binabaan sa atin ng driver, nag-take lang ko ng in-drive from Patusay. Mura lang kasi pamasahe dito guys. So parang from Patusay, I only paid 30,000 kip. Parang yun yung ano niya, minimum fare. So parang 6 ringgit lang siya. 70 or 80 pesos. Kaysa maglakad tayo, mapagod pa tayo. Maubos ang energy natin. Ito pala yung Vien Chinh Center. Pero parang hindi maganda. Doon na lang tayo sa Park Son. Parang malungkot yung mall. Parang small mall lang siya. Parang mas malaki yung the Park Son. Medyo malayong ikot. Lakad muna tayo pa Park Son. Ito na yung mall guys oh. Naga Mall naman palang pangalan. Siguro yung Park Son is just a portion in this. Malaki ah. This is mall in Vien Chinh, Lao. Let's go. Let's get inside the mall. Meron silang pa-statue dun. Maganda din naman pala. Di naman pala boring. Pa-aircon muna tayo sa loob, mag-lunch tayo. Mamoling muna ako guys ha, magpapa-aircon ako and then I'll grab some lunch. This is the inside of the mall. Wala talaga masyadong tao guys. Pero at least dito aircon. Ano siya? May Starbucks din sila. Actually may Starbucks dun malapit sa hostel namin. Tapos ang ganda, para siyang reserves. Ito Joma. Kaya ano ba yan? Richard Gomez. Goma pala yun. It looks like this is a 5-story mall, but I think it's only 2 floors that are currently open right now. Yan siya. Walang tao. So, maybe this is a new mall. Kasi wala pang doon, no? Ang dilim. Wala pang tenant and stores. And wala ding tao. Maybe it's weekday. And maybe because it's really loud. Feeling ko dyan ako kakain mamaya. Pero ikutin muna natin. Baka may makita tayo. 2 floors lang naman to guys. Ikutin muna natin. Then, tsaka tayo kumain. Murayta lang. Yung mura lang kasi ang mahal na ng nagastos natin kahapon. May buffet sila. Tinatawag ako ng buffet. Lantern Buffet Seafood Barbecue. Tayo mag-buffet guys. This is the 2nd floor of the mall guys. It's very empty. And other stalls are still unoccupied. Nakakatuwa yung mall dito. Sobrang tahimik. Feeling ko sa 3rd floor wala nang ganap. Huwag na tayong umakyat. Kasi madilim. Ang may liwanag lang is yung 1st floor tsaka yung 2nd floor. Yung 3rd floor pataas. Unoccupied pa yung ibang floors. Samsonite. Ay, meron din palang samgyup. Mahilig din sila dito sa hotpot tsaka samgyup. Siyempre, isa lang naman pamilya ng mga yan. Chinese, Vietnamese, Thailand. Magkakamag-anak yung cuisines niyan. Cuisines? Dito sa pinakababa guys, parang mayroon silang parang B1, basement 1. Merong food court, ayun. Kesa sa Hawker Chan tayo kumain. Dito na lang. Check natin. Kasi lahat naka-Thai. Yan mga menu. Parang close to Thai, din, cuisine. Pero parang lahat maanghang. Tayo po 50,000 kip. Mga nakasay. Parang chicken rice. Kutin natin. Parang gusto ko yun. Yun lang kakainin ko mamaya. Hindi na tayo makita. Mga pulis. Mga pulis ba to? Mga criminology students. Yan. Parang pasta. Western cuisine. Rice with pork and basil. Chinese broccoli. Hanap muna ako ng kakainin ko guys. Pakita ko sa inyo later. Ang weird dito guys, kasi may napili na akong store kung saan ako bibili ng pagkain. Pero hindi ka pwedeng bumili direkta sa kanila. Kailangan bumili ka muna sa cashier ng parang food cart. Dito ka bibili. So parang tatap upan yung card ng amount, tapos yun nagbabayad mo. Interesting. This is the food cart guys. So I topped up 100,000 kip. And this is the one that I will use to pay for my food in this food court. Interesting This is where I ate guys. So I ordered some pork and rice and some noodles. Yung menu nila. So I think my bill is a total of 90,000 kip. It's less than 20 ringgit. This is my food guys, and it only cost me 90,000 kip, which is 18 ringgit. So So imagine 18 ringgit already 2 dishes. So pork rice and then beef braised noodles. And the noodles. Let's eat. Sarap. Grabe yung beef guys, so hindi tinipid. Ang daming laman ng noodles guys. Marami siyang beef. Small siomai. Grabe, 9 ringgit lang to. Yung pork rice. yung red pork, parang ano siya? Pork rice. Ano siya? Medyo dry. Baka malamig lang. I wasn't able to finish it guys, it's a lot. So the pork rice is so-so, but I highly recommend this braised beef noodles. Tastes awesome. Hindi siya tinipid sa ano, beef, ang dami. Ayan, natira ko siya. Yung pork rice kasi ang dry. Alright everyone, so we just arrived here at another symbol and famous attraction here in Vientiane, Laos, which is the Wat That Luang. So after going to the mall and chill, nag-coffee ako doon sa Starbucks and nagpahinga din. Umuwi muna ako kasi nag-freshen up ako. Tapos, sinearch ko kung anong oras nagsasara to. Nagsasara pala ng 5 PM. So, nagmadali na tayo kasi this is a must visit place in Vientiane, guys. We still have few minutes because they will close at 5 PM. I hope we can still get inside. And I hope we can take video. We're approaching. May entrance kaya? Kapag may entrance, huwag na tayong pumasok kasi from outside nakikita naman natin siya. Meron din tayong temple doon guys. So, tapos ito yung pinaka-famous nila. Golden Stupa. Merong entrance. 30,000 kip for foreigners. Huwag na tayong pumasok guys. Maganda naman ang view dito sa labas. Ayan o. Meron din yung temple over there. Ayan pa. Welcome to Wat That Luang. Closer view. The golden symbol of Laos. At my back is the Wat That Luang, which is a must-visit attraction here in Vientiane, Laos. If you go here, make sure you pay a visit here and get inside so that you can get a better view. So we're not getting inside anymore because it's almost 5 PM. They are about to close, so it's not gonna be worth it anymore as we will have a limited time inside. So from the outside, that's the view. I think that's the main attraction, the Golden Stupa. And then let's just explore the area around it. Yan siya. let's just further check the area here. May magandang temple over there. Oh. Ayun oh. Puntahan natin kasi parang interesting siya. Ito din oh. Ang gaganda ng temple nila guys. It's so amazing. Tapos may nadaanan ako doon sa banda doon na yung mga puno parang may cherry blossoms. So ginugel ko siya kung meron bang cherry blossoms ang Vientiane Lao. Meron daw sa northern part. Pero parang meron din kasi dito. Ang ganda nito guys. Oh, tingnan mo. Palace siya. Jewel in the palace. Puntahan natin ha. Look at this. So amazing. Yan o. Grabe. Look at that, everybody. Very nice. Amazing. Closer look. Yan. Ang ganda. Grabe. Ganda niya. Sarap yung ganda niya talaga. Ang laki nitong area na to, sobrang lawak niya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga trees na tinutukoy ko. Para siyang cherry blossoms, pero iba-iba yung kulay. Merong white, may yellow, may purple, may pink, may red. Ayan yung mga puno oh. Parang cherry blossom style siya. Ayan o, tignan nyo. Meron ditong parang kulay red or pink. Ay, bonggambilya pala yan, shoota. Yung mga ganitong trees guys oh. Ito medyo kalbo na eh. Yan oh. Pero may dinaanan kaming part na ang daming flowers. Punta tayo sa harap nun kasi parang maganda eh. Punta tayo sa labas para mas maganda yung view natin. Mas gusto ko yung weather dito sa Vientiane kumpara dun sa Siem Reap. Grabe, sobrang init, laputan ng atake. Pati yung mga Briton doon, yung mga puti, grabe yung pawis talaga din nila. Sobrang init kasi talaga. Pero gusto naman nilang mainit, diba? Kasi sobrang lamig sa UK. Okay, so, ayan oh, yung mga ganyang trees. Para siyang cherry blossoms. May malaki pang yan oh, palace. Kanino kayang palasyo yan? Kay Jangyum ba yan? Ay, hindi. Buddhist temple yan. Yung mabash tayo. Ayan oh, tignan nyo guys. Ito pa. Ayan oh, para siyang cherry blossoms pero iba ang kulay. Ito pa. Ayan oh, ang ganda oh. Grabe ang ganda guys. Ayan siya. Umimote-emote din tayo dito. Closer look natin. You know, para siyang palasyo. It's really nice here, guys, so I highly recommend if you go to Vientiane, visit Wat That Luang. So kahit hindi tayo nakapasok, meron naman magagandang structures outside the attraction. Ayan o, katulad yung castle sa likod ko. Castle ba yan o temple? Ang ganda, grabe. Nakarami na tayo ng pang-gram. For the gram. So guys, that's it for today's video. So let's now end the day with a bang by going to Vientiane Night Market. Let's see if we can try some local food there and see what we can find. See you there!